Welcome back to eSIM Studios. My name is Taylor Bell. I will be your host for today. And listen, Black Friday has passed. However, Cyber Monday is just hours away, and there are still some incredible deals. Now, lucky for you, I have compiled uh, a ton of deals for you. This is where you need to go. Bookmark this video, share this video to a family member, to a friend, whoever. This will save you a ton of money. I've compiled the best Cyber Monday deals for you and compiled it, put them into one video. Now, everything we discuss, everything you see on here, will be linked in the description box below. And as the day goes on, I will also go back to this video on the back end and put in, if I see some other great deals here and there, maybe an hour or 2 hours after I record this, and I see another really good deal, I'll go in the back end of this video in YouTube Studio, and I will include that deal or put that link in the description box below. So everything you see here will be listed below. There's hundreds of deals. Now, this video is not going to be hours long. Maybe, I don't know, 10 minutes, 12 minutes. We'll just lightly review stuff, and you'll see how many deals we have. However, I do have them broken down. Look, if you're in the market for, this is a tech channel, right? So all this is going to be technology based. If you're in the market for a new GPU, a new laptop, maybe a new Chromebook, if you want stocking stuffers, $50 and under, we have them here. If you possibly a stocking stuffer, $25 and under, we compiled the list. We got everything here for you. So let's get right into it. I'm going to share the screen, minimize myself a little bit, and we will minimize the screen and get into it. Okay. So let's see here. Let's start rolling. All right. So, like I said, we'll briefly go over everything I've compiled here for you. And each link that you see, I think there's 13 or 14 links. Everything will be in the description box below. There's going to be Amazon deals. There's going to be Best Buy deals. There's going to be, like I said, laptops, Chromebooks, GPUs, gaming laptops, best iPhone accessories, anything you can think of, we got it. So always come back to this video. If you let's see, if you can't remember where you saw it, I will try to bookmark some of these, but the links are down below. Now, here is a list of the very best deals on GPUs. If you're looking to save a little bit of money, if you waited around, maybe a few months this time of the year to buy a new graphics processing unit for your new gaming computer or upgrading an old gaming computer, this is the place to get it. They've compiled all of the best deals, the best RTX 40 series, the best RTX 30 series deal, the best Radeon deals, all right here. And as you can tell, these are pretty good prices, saving 120, 50, 170, $150 off the top of the price. And these are brand new brand new GPUs. So I'll link I'll link down below GPU deals and simply click the link. Now, newsflash: we are not affiliated or don't get any kickbacks with anything you see here on this website. I simply wanted to help everybody out instead of wasting time scouring the internet for the best deals, or if you're looking for the best GPU deals. I did that. I spent hours compiling this list, looking for certain tech deals for Cyber Monday, and put them all right here. So I did all the work for you. Just simply come back here to this video. So this is the best GPUs Cyber Monday deals. As you can tell, we have Asus GeForce GPUs. We have ROG Strix GeForce GPUs, NVIDIA RTX 30 series, all sorts of cool stuff here. The very best prices, all right here. As you can tell, that's a really good price. 20. That's it's a little old, but it's still brand new. $290. It's a pretty good deal. Listen, there's a ton of good deals, but this is the GPU list. Go check that out down below. Let's keep on moving because I got a ton of stuff. All right, look at this. Here's the 41 best Cyber Monday smart home deals that you can still buy. This is for your smart home. If you want a vacuum, if you want a vacuum robot or a robot vacuum, whatever, I'm not sure which one comes first. Smart speakers, doorbells, thermostats, and lots more. All right here, as you can tell. Now it's broken down into different sections. Let me get this stupid ad out of the way. God, what a hassle. Okay, so we got them broken down. Best smart home deals at the top. Then you got smart home hub deals, smart speaker deals, smart thermostat deals, smart plug deals, smart lighting deals, smart camera deals, robot vacuums. I think we are actually, honest, after I record this, I think we are gonna pull the trigger on a robot vacuum. Always wanted one. Actually, you know what? I killed two birds with one stone. Let's see what we got because this will interest me. Um, Amazon's got phenomenal prices. They basically have half off on a lot of these. So we've always wanted one, and I think today will be the day. Okay, so as you can tell, this is for the smart home section. If you got somebody you know that needs a smart, what is it? Ring, right? Is it Ring? Why am I smart home camera ring hub? I forgot what it's called. Google Nest. That's what it is. They got them here. Actually, that's a really cheap deal. $60 off. Google Nest doorbell. So ring. That's what I was looking at. Ring. Okay, moving on. Let's see. Here's the iPhone accessories link. If you have as many as you know, many of our subscribers know, we're not iPhone users in this home, but I know a majority of the country are iPhone users, so this link should come in handy. You got all sorts of stuff here, right? You got AirPods, you got watches, you have cases, you have chargers, you have cables, dual chargers, dual cables, a charging pad where you can actually charge your phone, your watch, and your AirPods. Name brands, really good deals. Spigen car charger, that's a great car charger. You have the MagSafe accessories and all sorts of good stuff. This is the iPhone AirTags. We're giving as well. We're giving away this free. This I saw Apple AirTag on the screen and I was like, it reminds me. We're giving away this free. I believe there's about 10 days left. If you want this for free, simply enter at our website. You go to esimstudios.com. Enter to win this, as well as a super fast charger and a USB Type-C cable. You can win that completely free. Every 2 weeks, we run a free giveaway on our website. Every 2 weeks, not monthly, every bi-weekly. So you can always come back, or always go to esimstudios.com and enter to win for your bi-weekly prize. Now, what do we got here? 31 red hot Cyber Monday tech deals under $50. So this is a good stocking stuffer link right here. God dang it, I clicked the ad. Damn, I hate those, man. Okay. So our favorite Cyber Monday deals under $50. This is going to include a little bit of everything, right? You're going to have a Bluetooth speaker, you're going to have phone accessories, chargers, smart home deals, smart glasses. Interesting. Never seen those. What does this do? Let's see. Well, I don't have time to look into it, but I will after we record this. But you have crucial SSDs. You have smart speakers, you have controllers, you have cases, you have Amazon Fire keyboard cases, Blink video doorbells, Google Nest Hub, second gen, chargers at a really, really good price, earbuds, Um, cool. Smart bulbs. You can. Wow, there's a little bit of variety. Watch a little bit of everything, right? All right. Now, 53 lowest ever Cyber Monday prices already live on Amazon. Now, I was looking at this. This is where I saw the is it the iRobot vacuum cleaner? We are, I believe, like I said, going to pull the trigger, but this is where I saw these phenomenal deals that I promise you. And these are already live. I've looked at most of these, and all these are on sale and ready to purchase. You have Amazon branded device deals, phone deals, audio deals, smartwatch and fitness tracker deals, Chromebook, tablet, accessory deals, smart home deals, honorable mentions, a little bit of everything, right? All these can be purchased on Amazon, and they are currently on sale right now. That's a good deal right here. If you're looking for a nice phone, cheap phone, S23 FE is nice. Let's see what else we got. The Roomba. Is that what it's called? Yeah, iRobot Roomba. Right here. This is what we're getting right here. Right there, right there, right there. Okay. Maybe I'll do a video on that. So this will give you a ton of stuff. It's Amazon ready. Sales are live. Pixel 8. That's a really good deal. Actually, I might purchase one of those as well. Okay, I'm getting sidetracked. See, there's so many good deals. Now let's go to the next one. So here we got the 74 best Cyber Monday laptop deals. If you have a uh, um, college student in the family needs a new laptop, look, now honestly is the best time to buy this stuff. And I'm not just saying that because I'm making a video about it. Look, literally, we're gonna purchase one, three things right now that I can think of, just because the prices are insanely low. So we got this broken up into categories. This link: best MacBook Cyber Monday deals, best premium and everyday laptop deals, best gaming laptop Cyber Monday deals, and the best Chromebook Cyber Monday deals. All of this is broken down. All of this is discounted. And if you're in need of a laptop, we got you covered. Now, here is a ginormous collection. I'm not going to scroll down here because it would literally take up half the video, but you can tell by the title just how big this one is. It has a collection of all sorts of technology all around the internet for very low prices, but I strongly suggest you check that out. Here is for gaming laptops, right? 31 best Cyber Monday gaming laptop deals already live. You can purchase these right now. They got them broken down, right? You got um the very best laptop there. Who is this? XDA's favorite Cyber Monday gaming laptop deals. You get the very best overall. And then you got them broken down by categories. You get the RTX 40 series laptops, RTX 30 series laptops, AMD Radeon laptops, and budget gaming laptops. Okay, now this is a good stocking stuffer right here. Best tech deals for Cyber Monday under $25. Um, a lot of the Amazon Alexas, Chromecasts, MagSafe, pocket holders, smart speakers, all sorts of good stuff under $25, and they are available to purchase at the moment. This is a really neat one right here. Those always come in handy. Everybody needs an extra charger around the house, right? So come to this link, and they got you covered. Now, if you need a smartwatch, these are the absolute best Cyber Monday deals on wearables right now, right this second. Again, broken down into categories. You got them broken up by the Pixel Watch deals, Apple Watch deals, Fitbit deals, Garmin wearable deals, other Wear OS deals. By the way, where's my smartwatch? Oh, here it is. Check this out. I'm reviewing this right now. It is the CMF Watch Pro, $69 on Amazon. And I will link this in the description. Very nice, inexpensive smartwatch that comes in handy whenever you need it. Now, I believe we just got a couple left. Let's see. Let me go back. Let me change my view 1 second. There we go. Okay. So this is the place for smartwatches if you're in the need of one or a smart tracker, right? What is this? 64 of the very best Cyber Monday deals, broken down into categories by Android phones, Android tablets, Chromebook deals, earbuds, smartwatches, wearables, smart home deals, and the very best Black Friday deals that are still currently on sale through Cyber Monday. Yeah, look, that's a phenomenal purchase right there. That's cheap. That's a good smartwatch, Samsung smartwatch right there. What else we got? Getting towards the end here. What is this? Available right now? Was that the same? I don't think. Hope not. Nope. This one is 64. This one is 50. So the same basic thing. Oh, this is shame on me. This is the I was looking at this heavily. This is the 50 very best Cyber Monday TV deals. You're going to find some extremely low prices if you're in the market for a new TV. Extremely low prices. I was just checking out a bunch of these and the jaw dropping prices. Now, Chromebooks. Need a Chromebook? We got the 28 very best Chromebooks on sale at the moment for Cyber Monday. I'm actually watching football on my Samsung Chromebook at the moment while I'm recording this. So we have Acer Chromebooks, Asus Chromebooks, HP Chromebooks, Lenovo Chromebooks, Samsung Chromebooks, which is what I'm using. And just to give you an example, they got them all listed right here and the links to the purchase. Now, yeah, okay. So some are Best Buy, some are HP, some are going to be from a from a retail store, as in Best Buy or Amazon, and some are going to be straight from the manufacturer. Sometimes they do have the best deals, like this one right here. That's a brand new Chromebook. As you can tell, it's 790 brand new, and right now it's only $500 at HP. Now, all these, I don't, there's no promo codes, right? They're automatically discounted on their website for Cyber Monday. We got one last link I wanted to show you. And this is probably, if you are a computer nerd or computer geek like I am, you're going to want to visit this link because this is the ultimate 150 best Cyber Monday deals, computer deals now for PC, for gaming, all sorts of everything you can think of, right? GPUs, external storage units, devices. They have MacBook deals, parts, accessories, Windows, desktops, broken down into everything. It is a very, very long list. CPUs you can buy that are on sale. Um, if you need a case to put it in, they got those on sale. So search as much as you want. They have basically, I'm sure, everything you're looking for in that list, and that'll do it. Again, these I compiled the very best links for Cyber Monday, and I will continually update them throughout the night and throughout tomorrow. So please come back to the video if you can't remember where you saw that deal or I probably got it. So come find my video, save it, share it, and go check out the description box down below. Everything here you see will be linked in the description box. So thank you very much for your time. I do appreciate it. My name is Taylor Bell, and this is eSIM Studios.